Good morning and happy Monday, March 23rd. Andrew Marquis, themarqueeteam.com, CrossCountry Mortgage, checking in here Monday with your mortgage update for the week. Rates week over week are up just slightly, given some of the inflation and the issues overseas. So starting first with conforming loans, 1,832,000 loan amount or less. 30-year fixed 6.2, 15-year 5.49, jumbo 1 point, 30-year fixed 5.99, 7-year arm 5.375, and 5-year arm at 5 1/4. So we have rates, and they have gone up a little bit. I think we've got a couple of things working against one another. We have a softening job market, which is helpful for rates, but then we have inflation driven by the hike in oil prices, the blocking of the Strait of Hormuz, and the war overseas. So hopefully, as that starts to come a little bit under control, we'll have these rates come back to us over the next couple of weeks here. We had some incredibly low rates 4 weeks ago before this hike, so hopefully we can get back to that level. People can get back to refinancing, back to buying. Very tight market right now, especially in the suburbs on affordable properties, multiple offers, quick closings, waived contingencies, pre-commitments, all of things we can help out with. Boston condo market seems to be improving. It's still generally a little bit soft, but seems to be improving. And I think something I always like to touch base on with people is rates, right? We look at these rates day to day. We say, should we buy a house? Should we not buy a house? Rates are not static. They change every day, just like the stock market. So if you're buying a house for the right reasons and you lock in a rate, it gets better before closing, we float you down. It gets better post-closing. You can refinance many times with no closing costs. So try to detach the interest rate decision from buying the house in some ways, because as that rate changes over time, you can move into that different interest rate. But I just have to remind you that owning a home creates significantly more wealth over time than renting. So buy for the right reasons. Know that we as a team can position you in the right rate over time. And feel free to reach out. We're happy to help. Have a great week ahead. Thanks for tuning in.